Hello guys, welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up Ollama for free AI models. So let's start. So first we will go to Chrome, open it, and we will search for Ollama here. Go to this first link. You can install Ollama with two methods. Either copy this and paste it in PowerShell and hit enter and it will start installing Ollama. But we will use this method, download Ollama. I'll click on this download for Windows. Save this. And now you can see that Ollama has started downloading. It is a 2 GB file, so it will take some time, so we will wait. So now Ollama is downloaded, so I'll go to the show in folder. I'll right click on this and open it. I'll click on install and it is installing. So it will take some time in installation, so we will wait. So now it is installed, so it is on this launch. We will go to this chat and here you can see you can select different models and you can download them. Those models with whom these clouds are appearing, so they are cloud model and these are local, you can download them. There are different sizes in these model. How you can download a model? Just select the model and send a message to it and it will start downloading. But we will download it in a better way through command prompt. So I'll close this. I'll close this as well. And now I'll open here Ollama library. So if I open this library, there are different models here. You can download them and use them with Ollama. But on your local system, you can download a model up to 0.8B, 2B, 4B, and above that you cannot use because our hardware is not that powerful. You can see you can use this one as well. You can use this one. So now I will show you how to download it. So I'll come to the search, type CMD here, hit enter, open the command prompt, and now I will go again to Ollama library and I will open this Queen 3. I will download this 0.6B. So for that I will scroll down and this is 0.6B. So I'll copy this. It is 523 MB. I'll come here and I will use Ollama pull and I will paste that model and now hit enter. So now it is pulling manifest and now the installation is started. So it will take some time. So now it is downloaded. So it is making the confirmation and you can see the success. So it is installed. Now how can you run this? You can run it from here, Ollama run and then the model name. So Quen 3 0.6B. Hit enter and now you can send it a message. Hi, hello, how can I assist you? You can also chat from the Ollama app. So I'll close this and now I'll open Ollama app. From these models, now I can select this one, Quen 3 0.6B. Let me hello world program in C#. So now you can see it has written the program. So now we will download and install a cloud one. So I'll close this and I'll again go to here. We do not have any cloud one, so I'll go back. So from here I'll come here and select this cloud, so that it show me the cloud ones. I'll open this JLM 4.7 and I'll come down and I'll copy this and now I'll go to CMD, hit enter and here I'll use Ollama pull and the model name and hit enter. It will pull just the manifest file as you can see, and now I can type the command Ollama run and then the model name and hit enter. Now you can send it a message. So now you can see it has sent us this. Now I will close this and now we will use it through Ollama app. So I'll come here and I will open Ollama app and I'll come here and GLM 4.7 cloud. I will select this. Write me a sick leave application to HR. Now here it has given us a short sick leave application to HR. So you can do anything with it. So there is one limitation with cloud models, that you can use it for certain limited requests per day or per 24 hours. Now you know how to set up Ollama for free AI models, and I think this is enough for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.